Hiring or rejecting. Hi everybody, we had 3 candidates that applied for the same job. One had a college degree with no work experience, while the other had no college degree with 7 years of the work experience. The third candidate, on the other hand, had neither work experience nor a college degree. How many people in this room are willing to hire the third candidate? Not many, right? Why? Because we all believe that degree and experience are the most important skill to hiring someone. However, that is not true. My name is Minh Quyên Nguyen, and I'm going to show you that we should not base hiring employees on degree or experience alone. They should also look at the character and keep more an open mind to see how the candidates may benefit the company. You never know, you may end up hiring the next Steve Jobs. According to the Census Bureau's current population surveys and the U.S. Department of Labor, 53.6% of bachelor graduates were jobless. These were the results of the graduates lacking in the work experience as well as entitlements. Many graduates felt since they have a diploma, they should not have to accept a lower paying job, and thus their diploma should guarantee them higher offer. How about workers with no degree that possess many years of work experience? The workers, since they have done the job for so long, do not require much training as others would. The only downside is that these workers tend to be unhappy after a certain amount of time of being employed. They tend to get embarrassing about asking basic questions, because since they've been doing this line of work for so long, they should not know it all. Lastly, workers with no diploma or work experience are the most difficult thing to judge. They have nothing on the paper to offer. The only thing they can do is offer their loyalty, hard work, and dedication. These trials are special in many ways. The workers, if chosen wisely, can be the best hire out there. They are very humble and appreciative of the opportunity that they are playing. Michael Jordan is a great example of someone who worked very hard to get where he is. Phil Jackson, Michael Jordan's former coach, stated that Michael Jordan's jump shots were not good when he started. He worked hard for his talent, then he worked even harder to be better at it. They show that a diploma cannot give you the talent he has. Jay Thomas is another example of someone who was started of knowing nothing and become someone great. Jay Thomas works part-time in a local restaurant while in the high school. After his dad moved around the country seeking jobs, he dropped out of high school to work full-time there. He then was introduced to KFC and helped them come out of a hole by offering them great marketing advice. Then he branched off to make his own company. Great minds don't always need proof of understanding or experience. Sometimes with the right guidance, good work ethics, and creativity, they can become great. These are things a diploma cannot give answers. All in all, I don't feel that a piece of paper should be our main judgment of the person's abilities. I feel strongly that it should be based on the person's character and what they can bring to the table with them. We should also look into the person's attitudes to see if they really appreciate the opportunity that is offered to them. Thank you so much for listening.